Hi, it's Rob with the Rack Shop. Here we're going to take a look at some of the footage we have of trucks from SEMA 2021 with the LEITNER ACS Forged system. So a really great truck rack, lightweight, super strong, really versatile, fitments for pretty much any truck on the market. So these are all listed on our website for purchase, so every purchase is definitely appreciated. And another way you can help support us is to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The subscription really does help us go a long way in growing our channel and helping us bring more videos to you. So please like and subscribe. All right, well, let's take a look. Okay, ooh, lens flare there. J.J. Abrams would like this. So this is a Nissan Frontier, the new model, and here we have the LEITNER ACS Forged system, and there you see the Gear Pod XL. That's their extra large cargo pod. It's like a cooler strapped down in the rear to the floor deck. And let's take a quick pause right here. So that on the right here we see in the center of the screen, that is the new HydroPod shower kit. So it's a brand new product. We can't wait to get our hands on it. It's an all new design, 4.8 gallons. Comes with a hose that obviously you don't see here. It's probably in one of those other gear pods, which those are the standard gear pods. And that hose is 20 feet. So definitely ample hose to shower, wash off your gear, or what have you. But yeah, going to be a really great addition to your truck. And you see at the top there the fill port, nice ergonomic cap, and looks like it's going to have a really wide opening, so it should be easy to fill. And let's continue. Yeah, the Gear Pod standard models, those have been around for a long time, tried and true. Oop, another lens flare. A lot of lens flare. Yeah, pretty nice, clean looking truck. You know, not a lot to it, but looking good. This one's really awesome truck. Love that color. Again, you've got a Gear Pod XL on the driver's side. You got the forged system. Yeah, it's also, take a quick pause. Yeah, terrible spot to pause. It's got the decked in-bed drawer system. So all the LEITNER ACS systems are compatible with decked systems, which maybe we'll put a link up on top to those drawer systems. Those are also really handy, weatherproof systems. 200-pound payload capacity on top, so if you still need to load things on top of it, really great system. And here you can see there's two vertical uprights that go straight down instead of to the pillars in the back. On the Tacoma, it's a no drill application, so it utilizes factory connection points on the floor of your truck bed. Now those, even though they come down, you still have the ability to use those decked drawer systems. Let's see what anything else we see here. Actually, it's almost pretty much identical setup to the previous truck. XL pods on the driver's side, left-hand side, and then right here in front of us we have the HydroPod shower kit, and then it looks like there's two more gear pods. But let's keep going. Yep, two more gear pods there, shower kit. Really great quality, cool looking truck, rooftop tin on board. Okay, now next truck, big little truck. Looks like it's got a mule rack, looks like a Prinzu style. It's got his drone on top. Again, XL pod on the driver's side. That seems to be a popular fitment there. ACS Forged, so the Forged is a stamp, or excuse me, it's a pressed metal, so a press process, so it actually maintain the aluminum material. Pause it right here. So the aluminum material is lightweight, but that forging process actually makes it super strong. And right here, let's take a look at what's right directly in front of us. That support bar. So on the Tacoma, it was almost straight vertical. Here it comes at an angle, and so that is actually going to connect into the back pillar of the truck bed. So there is drilling, install a rib nut, and then bolted in. So there is drilling, but if you do need to take the rack off, it almost looks like there's nothing there, and actually you can just put a plastic plug into the rib nut that's there, or reinstall a bolt just to keep it free of debris for the next time you need to reinstall it. On the left hand side, you can see MaxTrax. So Leitner has a MaxTrax pin set for the XL box, and that you can install the pin set and then have your MaxTrax on the back side of it. So you know, if the top is occupied with a rooftop tent or extra cargo and you need a place for your boards, you don't want to put them inside the truck, because if you do use them and then they're all dirty and muddy, that's all going to get inside. So here's actually a pretty convenient way to store your boards and have them relatively easy access in case you do need them. And then also this truck has a deck system as well. So deck, again, is a really great way to organize the contents in your bed, help keep them out of the elements, help keep them secure. You can actually purchase locks for each drawer if you want to lock it, but your tailgate with it locked prevents the drawers from being open. So with your locky tailgate, it is secure. All right, let's keep rolling. I guess right here you can see on the right middle side the red Rotopax fuel can. On the outer side, you'll see here in a second, is the white water can from Rotopax. Those are also great products to haul around water and fuel. They even have some storage units that are available in the same shape of the Rotopax canisters. Leitner has universal mounting plates that allow for attachment of these, and those plates can also be used for not only Leitner accessories, but really you can just kind of get custom and build off of that. Those plates just connect into the slots along the ACS Forged system. So it's just, the Leitner system is a great versatile system right out of the boxes. All right, let's keep rolling. All right, 2 more gear pods on the right. It's almost like a standard setup. Rooftop tent on top, which Leitner makes really great brackets to connect your tent to it. Makes it super easy. Yeah, that's a pretty awesome truck. Here we have, pause right here. Look at that, another XL on the driver's side. But on top here, it's a accessory product that I guess you don't really see too often, but it's their riser kit. So what it does, it allows the crossbars to be raised to a couple different positions. So in this case, they're using these risers to help clear the front rack. And that's because the tent on this particular truck is quite long. Most hardshell tents are going to be about what you see here, this length. I know iCaper has their mini, which is smaller, and you may not need the risers because it may fit directly onto the back half of the rack. But if you do need to clear something, Leitner does have this accessory available. Leitner has a ton of different accessories and brackets for awnings, lights, what have you. So again, a really versatile rack system. And let's keep going up. Let's see if there's 2 gear pods on the right hand side. My money is yes, but let's see. Deck system in the back, very popular. Oh, no gear pods. I was wrong. But they have the hydro shower, Rotopax. Yeah. Oh, pause real quick. Again, they have the MaxTrax brackets or pin set on the back of their XL pod. You see a little better here, a little more light to see. But yeah, just a great way to keep your boards out of the way, but semi-convenient to grab in case you are stuck somewhere. Other than that, the Rotopax, we saw that on the other truck. A hydropod is there. Yeah, that's about what we have to cover on that truck. Just finish off and take a look around the front side. Looks like that's a front runner rack on the front. Cool snorkel. Box on top. Yeah, it's a cool looking truck. Okay, well, that's the end of that video. Just a real quick look at the few trucks that we did see that have the Leitner racks on them at the show. There may have been more. I mean, there are tons of vehicles there, pretty much as far as the eye can see. As far as that goes, Leitner, great brand, great company, all built here in the USA, in stock, ready to go. So if you can make your purchase from us, that would be great. Much appreciated. If you have any questions, reach out to us about it. Drop us an email. Feel free to comment on this video here. And if you could like and subscribe again, that would be great. Again, subscriptions help our channel grow and are very, very much appreciated. So, well, that's about it for this video, and thanks for watching.